In today's video, we'll travel to the Oregon Museum of Science and Industry, or OMSI, a fabulous hands-on science museum in Portland. There's something here for everyone, including babies, toddlers, older kids, and certainly adults as well. You can take a tour of a real submarine parked just outside the museum, catch a show at the Planetarium or theater, and in the winter, you can even ice skate at the OMSI ice rink. In today's video, I'll share highlights of the OMSI and tips for your visit. If you enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more of the best of the Pacific Northwest. The OMSI is in southeast Portland, right along the Willamette River. If you drive, there's plenty of parking, but it costs a little over $5 for 2 hours, or a little over $8 for a day. Alternatively, you can take transit, as it's located near a Max Light Rail stop and bus lines. Right behind the OMSI, along the Willamette River, you'll find the Eastbank Esplanade multi-use path. From here, you can see great views of downtown Portland across the river. This is also where you can access the submarine if you choose to check it out. Tickets for the submarine are sold separately from regular admission, and you'll need to join a tour that lasts about 45 minutes. The submarine has some difficult footing, so kids under 3 aren't allowed to join the tour. Inside the OMSI, you'll find 2 floors of exhibits. Our current favorite is the Science Playground, a hands-on space for kids 0 to 6 years old. It's a big space with room to climb, pretend, play with water, build, and generally explore. There's a special section for babies who aren't yet walking to ensure no one gets trampled. Beyond the Science Playground, you'll find other halls with both permanent and rotating exhibits. We'll check out the Natural Sciences Hall next. Here you'll find exhibits on animals, rocks and minerals, and fossils. In the Life Lab, you'll find animals that you can see up close. Rotating exhibits we've seen have included dinosaurs and light. Downstairs, you'll find the Space Sciences Hall and the Planetarium. Shows at the Planetarium and the OMSI's other theater, the Empirical Theater, are ticketed separately from general admission. Here you'll also find the seasonal ice rink and holiday crafts. OMSI includes even more spaces not shown here, including a teen space, hands-on chemistry and physics labs, and a space designed for children ages 4 to 8. It's a fabulous place to engage the curious of all ages in hands-on learning. As of 2024, admission is $20 for adults with discounts for seniors and kids, and free admission for children under 3. If you plan to go frequently, memberships are available that make visiting much more affordable. Thanks for joining us at the OMSI. Remember to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.